How about the 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air Convertible, Matador red? Couldn't find a better 57 Chevy color than that. Over the red and silver, beautiful interior, iconic Tri-5 style. This one's got a late model 350 cubic inch V8 with a turbo hydromatic 350 3-speed automatic transmission. It's got a new top included with it. So if you want to put a new top on it, if you ever put the top on.
It's amazing that somebody's making new tops for 57 Chevy.
And
there's a market for everything.
Probably still selling the heck out of it, right? So
great.
And it's got front disc brakes too. So, and no harm there. I mean, that's something you want to add because from a safety standpoint, that's a pretty heavy beast, and you get a little power going. It's easier to get going than it is to get stopping. And
apparently, it needs pretty easy conversion too, if you know what you're doing.
Yeah,
you know?
yeah.
I wouldn't do it, but I trust somebody else to do it.
So good to know.